Hello guys, welcome back to another weekly market analysis. Today we're going to be looking at a few pairs that we're going to be looking to take trades from this week's trading week. So without any further ado guys, let's get right into it. As you can see, I have my chart open on the USD so we're going to be looking at a few entry points there in which we can take advantage of this coming bullish run, right guys? So as you can see, my market is open here. Let me just close my watch list. So first of all guys, I'm just going to keep it short. I don't want this to be a very long video. So as you can see guys, if I go to my daily chart, we can see that we're in this bullish market structure for the overall daily chart, right? We're in this bullish market structure for the whole of 2023 till this high over here, which was made at the 3rd of July or the 10th of July 2024 guys. So we can see that we're going to be looking to take the buys on this, right? So as you can see, let me just go back here again. You can see that we have our order block right here. Let me just indicate my order block so you can see that too. Our order block there, we have that discounted demand right here, right? We have this discounted demand right here, extreme order block right there. So guys, firstly, what are we going to be looking for, right? This is a kind of risky trade, because if you really know SMC, you'll know that you don't take the trade unless you have break of structure or a market shift, right guys? So usually we would take the trade maybe when the market breaks this structure over here. So this would be a overall risky trade, but then yeah, I have faith in it. So we'll just see and take the necessary confluences to take the trade, right? So as you can see, we hit this order block. Right after we hit this order block guys, the market created some liquidity here and took it out over here, and then it went to go take out the sell side liquidity also. So we've been seeing over this past week, we've had some bearish momentum, right? We had some as you can call retracements. So we're going to be taking advantage of these retracements guys. So first of all, what I want is to look at my Fibonacci retracement tool, open my Fibonacci to see where are my discounted zones, right, for this swing low to the swing high over here. So as we can see that the the discounted, extreme discounted zone is right here over on this fair value gap guys. So we know the rule of fair value gap is that we have a fair value gap and then we're going to be looking for the order block, right? So I'm going to be looking for this order block right here guys. If you can see that, I'm going to be looking for this order block right here to take advantage of it, right? Let me just change the color so that we can all mark it out and see it. All right, and then we have our fair value gap right here guys. Imbalance fair value gap, right? Let me just mark that out quick so that you can see fair value gap. So we have our imbalance right there. So what am I going to be looking to take this trade, right? I'm going to be looking for something like this. Let me just open my path. What's my path? I'm going to be looking for something like this. I want price to come here to fill in this gap over here and mitigate our order block, right? And then I want price to take out a certain high over here. Let's say for example this high over here, to confirm to me that we are mitigating the order block and we're ready to continue our bullish momentum. And then a slight retracement and then we go up again. That is initially what I'm looking for, and then we're gonna go up with it until that high over there. I'll indicate to you that high over there now. Let me just go over to the 1 hour chart so that we can get a clear picture. So we can see this is our order block, and then I want to talk something about this low. This low is today's Asian low, right? If you can look at that, it's today's Asian low, right? So we know the Asian lows are always liquidity, right? Especially on a Monday. So I will be expecting price to take out this this low over here to come in to come and mitigate this order block right here. And if you can see closely, if you can recognize this, we have a level of liquidity right here. We have some level of liquidity right here, right? So we can take this as our sell side liquidity, right? So we have some level of liquidity here, imbalance, and then an order block, guys. So what's more important is for us to look for that confirmation, for that break of structure, or for that market shift, so that we can confirm and take our trade, not just take our trade based on a mitigation, right? We just have to wait for the what's this, the confirmation and the break of structure, right? So overall, after I get that, I'm going to be looking for something like this. Let me go to the daily chart. Just reset my. So after that, what's this retracement over there? I'm going to be looking to take a long position. Hopefully this will play out by Wednesday, right, guys? We'll just see, and then go to that high over there. That would be what I'm willing to take for this upcoming trading week, right? So I'll send the confirmation in the group, in the Telegram group and in the WhatsApp group. Yeah, that's where I mostly send my confirmations, all right? So I'll just send you to confirmation. Obviously our stop loss will be somewhere here, because you don't want to take it that low. We're going to take it somewhere here, and then to have a nice risk to reward ratio, guys. So that's the first analysis. As I said, I want to keep this video very short. Let me go over to my second pair. Let's check out the GBP JPY. If you've been following me, you know that we've been having great results with the GBP JPY, guys. So we've been seeing that we have been in a bullish market structure from the 5th of August. Yeah, from the 5th of August, we've been having a really great bullish market structure. So if we can do a top-down analysis, we can see that we have been in a very bullish market structure overall, guys. And one thing I've seen is that we never break the lows. This is why I marked out this low over here. We never break these kind of lows, right? So my analysis says to me that this is a mitigation, right? What my analysis gives me is that this is a mitigation. Let me just close my, so we can see that more, right? This is a mitigation. If you can see that we have an indecision candle over there that is acting as our order block, and then we have that order flow over here, and then that bullish run over there, right? So as I've seen, for this market structure over here, we never even break the lows over here. We just keep going up and up and up, right? So I came to the decision, or to the conclusion, that I have an opportunity to have some buys over here, right, guys? So I want you to follow with me closely, right? So as we can see, first of all, here, if you see it correctly, we have a sense of liquidity over here, right? We have some level of liquidity over here. It's not really a double bottom that you would really see in the market, but if you really trade SMC, you would see it if you really traded SMC for a long time, right? And then over here at the high, we have a double top, which acts as our buy side liquidity, right? This is a clear buy side liquidity. So we know that when the market creates liquidity, it creates liquidity so that it can take it out, right? So I'm going to be waiting for the market to take out this liquidity first, right? So after it takes out this liquidity, there's an order block that I'm going to be looking for, which is here, over at that indecision candle right here, right? We're going to be looking for that mitigation over here, that sweep, and that mitigation over here, guys, to take us where? To that buy side liquidity, right? So I'm going to be looking overall for something like this. It's almost the same as the USD JPY, right? I'm going to be looking for that break or that liquidity sweep, and I'm going to be looking for something like this. You see, guys, I'm going to be looking for something like this. I'm going to be looking for a certain break of structure. So always, guys, when we get to our order block, we don't just execute a trade, but we also have to look at our confirmations, right? If we have the right confirmation to enter that trade. So risk management is very important in this trading game, especially trading SMC or ICT, guys. So first, we're going to be waiting for market to sweep and to mitigate our order block. If this order block fails, we could probably aim for another level below, but then all of that would be updated. This is just a rough analysis, right? So I will send the confirmation signals in the groups, so that make sure you're in the group and you stay tuned, guys, because we're going in hard. It's almost end of the year, so we really need to push, guys. So yeah, we're gonna be waiting for that sweep, that mitigation, a certain break of structure over here, the retracement, and then we're going to sweep this liquidity too. So the primary basis of the market is to not force the market, or to not force an analysis, or maybe take a decision based on impulse. You always have to wait for the market to give you a confirmation and to show you where the market wants to go, and then you go with it. Don't forget, we're competing with people who trade with billions and billions of dollars and who are against the retail traders, guys. So always make sure that you focus, and yeah, you have the right risk management, guys. Let me just show you a trade that we took, right? Let me just show you a trade that we took in the last weeks. I sent this in the groups too, guys. So I just want to go with you through this trade, also how we got to this trade, right? So that was the last of the analysis. So I'm just going to show you one of the examples we took, right? First of all, guys, as you can see from here, we've had a liquidity sweep, and then we had that mitigation, right? And then we broke the structure, right? From this whole impulsive move right here to the upside, we never took a trade because we didn't get our retracement first. So the discipline also came in a long way, right? Discipline comes in a long way. We waited for the market to show us and to give us a direction. So I told the guys even before this move played out that, okay, we're going to be taking the buy if this breaks, right? So with my expertise, I already took the buy over on this level right here. I saw that slight retracement and I took a buy there. Let me just go over to the 1 hour chart to show you more clearly. I took the buy over here at that small order block right there, and I took the buy and I saw that, okay, we're gonna go impulsively to the upside, right? And also price went up, broke all of those structures, confirmed with us, and then I sent it in the group again that, guys, we have another opportunity to buy over on this level right here after that fair value gap where, yeah, if you can clearly see it, and then the market shot impulsively up. So as you can see, guys, what I want to point out is that the market right now is approaching this order block right here inside our profits, right? Inside our profits, it's approaching this order block and it's mitigating this order block. So with you viewing this signal only now, you have an opportunity to go up with the market again, to go take out this high and to overall go to the target, the TP target, guys. So I would advise you to take some buys over on this level, guys. Yeah, so that was the trade that we took last week. Yeah, guys, so there's many more trades to come for this current week and for the weeks to come. So I hope you are updated and you are in the groups, so that you can be a part of the group and take advantage of these signals I sent to you for free, guys. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As I said, I don't want it to be long, so you will get most of the signals that I will send in the week if you're in the groups, guys. So make sure you're in the groups and I'll see you again on the next video, guys. Thank you very much.